Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video in Blender. Well, you probably know that if you want to model something, reference images are critically important, right? And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can properly load them up, so it will be helpful once you start your process. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get rid of the defaults here. We don't need them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to load up my references. Now, how do you do that? Well, you go up here, you go to Add, and you go to, where is it? In here, Image, Reference. But before I do that, I want to click on the appropriate view. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit 1 on my keyboard, which will bring me to my front view. And then I'm going to go to Add, Image, and Reference. And on my desktop right here, that's not my desktop, this is my desktop, yeah. On my desktop, I'm going to go and look for my front image. There we go. Okay, so we have that loaded up, right? Now keep in mind, this is treated as an object. So if I go to my perspective view in object mode, I can select it and I can move it back if I want. Something like this, right? Now let's jump to the next view. So I'm going to hit 3 on my keyboard, and 3 is my right side view. So again, we're going to go to Add, we're going to go to Image, References, and I'm going to look for my side view, which is right here, and load that up. There you have it. And then I got one more, which will be my top view. And once again, we're going to go to Add, we're going to go to Image, Reference, and we're going to go and look for top, and that's going to be right here, and there you have it. And now we have all 3 selected. Okay, so they look something like this. Now because these are objects, they can easily be moved, right? And again, we're in object mode, so I'm going to move this down, I'm going to take this guy and move it over. So if you are now navigating around your scene, you can see that you have these all loaded up, right? Now, if I want to start modeling here, I would, for example, go in here and grab, let's say, a cube, and then depending on the view that I'm looking at, I can align it with this image, I can align it with that image, or I can align it with that image. That's how easy that is, right? So yeah, hopefully it will be helpful for your process. If you enjoyed the video, please do me a favor, hit that sub button. I really would want to hit that 200K by the end of the year, right? It would make my day if you did that. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.